Thank you. It was around this time last year we were first learning about the coronavirus. It was a year no one could have imagined. Today, city officials reflected on how far we have come. NBC 15's Rachel Wilkerson was there as first responders and healthcare workers were honored. Rachel?
Kim, it's been a tough year for everyone, especially healthcare workers. Health officials say we've come a long way. Remember this time last year? No masks, no social distancing, and what was COVID-19? It's a question city officials also had.
Hardly any of us knew anything about it, and none of us knew what the challenges would be. There was no plan of how to network with each other, how to communicate with each other, what the science was, how would we handle it at the hospitals, what the city's responsibility was, what the healthcare providers' responsibility was. So really we were a little bit in no man's land in a fog.
The city began working on ways to help stop the spread of the virus. Today, those who have been key to fighting the pandemic were honored. USA Health Chief Medical Officer Dr. Michael Chang is one of those recipients. He says it's been about trial and error.
We guessed right in some areas, and in other areas we had no idea what was coming.
Natalie Fox is the Chief Nursing Officer at USA Health and has been the backbone for COVID-19 testing and vaccine distribution. She first started swabbing folks for COVID in the back of a small clinic parking lot.
It wasn't patient-friendly by any means, and we knew we had to have a better way.
They moved to lab for drive-through testing, seeing around 150 patients a day. Fast forward to today, USA Health is pushing 25,000 vaccines.
We're easily giving over 1,000 vaccines a day, every day of the week here.
A far cry from when the pandemic began. Dr. Chang says cases are starting to drop again. We are seeing what we were in September and October. He says right now they're just waiting to see what happens with the new variant. Reporting live in Mobile, Rachel Wilkerson, NBC 15 News.